Today, we are going to learn about short vowels versus long vowels using Magic E. Magic E changes words. When Magic E comes at the end, the vowel says its name and the word changes. Let's look at some examples together. Watch how the Magic E changes words. The first word is cat. When we add the Magic E, it becomes cute. Second word is kit. Add the Magic E, it turns into kite. Now, tap. Add the Magic E and it's tap. Next is pin. Add the Magic E, it becomes pine. Then we have win. We add the Magic E, it turns into wine. The last one is tab. When we add the Magic E, the word becomes